Eggs come with various classifications: caged, cage-free, free-range, pasture-raised, certified humane, organic, and pasteurized. But what do these terms really mean? Caged eggs. These are the cheapest, but also the worst. Hens are kept in cramped conditions, meeting only the minimum legal standards. Avoid these. Cage-free eggs. Slightly better. Hens are out of cages, but still confined indoors, often without sunlight. Free-range eggs. This sounds ideal, but it's misleading. Hens may have theoretical access to the outdoors, but often remain in large buildings with minimal natural exposure. Pasture-raised eggs, the gold standard. Hens roam freely outdoors, forage for natural food like bugs and worms, and live healthier, more active lives. Look for certified humane labels to ensure they've had at least 108 square feet of outdoor space. Organic eggs refers to the hen's feed, free of pesticides. While organic is good, pasture-raised eggs often provide better nutrition even if they're not organic. Pasteurized eggs. These are heat-treated to kill bacteria like salmonella. Most store-bought eggs are pasteurized by default, so this isn't a key differentiator. Consuming 5 eggs daily delivers a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and beneficial healthy fats. Eggs are nutrient powerhouses containing DHA, vitamin D, calcium, iron, vitamin A, vitamin E, B vitamins, B2, B6, B12, folate, biotin, etc. Phosphorus, iodine, zinc, selenium, and choline, all essential for overall health. Calories. Only 350, just 17% of most people's daily intake, yet incredibly filling. Protein. 30 grams of high-quality protein that's highly bioavailable. Healthy fats. 25 grams, including 7.5 grams of saturated fat. Pasture-raised eggs often have 6 times more DHA and fat-soluble vitamins compared to conventional eggs. The yolks are richer in nutrients, evidenced by their deep color, but beware of artificially colored yolks in mass-produced eggs. Not all protein is created equal. Eggs, especially whole eggs, provide some of the highest quality protein available. Here's how they compare. Egg whites. Only 1/6 of the protein turns into tissue. The rest is converted to energy. Whole eggs. Half the protein becomes building blocks for the body, making them far superior. Other sources. Meat, 1/3 usable. Whey, 1/6 usable. Soy, 1/6 usable. Eggs are often feared because of their cholesterol content. 5 eggs contain about 925 milligrams of cholesterol, far exceeding the outdated daily limit of 300 milligrams. However, your body naturally produces 1,000 to 3,000 milligrams of cholesterol daily. When you eat more cholesterol, your body compensates by producing less. Cholesterol is essential for brain health, cell membranes, hormone production, and bile. Instead of fearing cholesterol, focus on metabolic health markers like blood sugar, triglycerides, and HDL-LDL particle size. Eggs are fantastic for the brain. DHA, vital for brain function, reducing stress, and improving focus. 5 pasture-raised eggs provide all the DHA most people need. Choline, supports acetylcholine production, crucial for memory, learning, and REM sleep. About 30 to 40% of people have the MTHFR gene variant, which affects the body's ability to convert homocysteine into methionine. Elevated homocysteine is linked to inflammation and heart disease. Eggs, rich in B vitamins, can help mitigate this by supporting proper methylation. While eggs are a nutritional powerhouse, some people may have allergies or sensitivities, often due to exposure to egg proteins and vaccines. If you're not allergic, eggs are a fantastic addition to your diet. To preserve nutrients, cook eggs gently. Soft-boiled. Poached. Over-easy. Lightly scrambled. Avoid high-heat methods that can damage delicate nutrients. Eggs are one of the most nutrient-dense foods you can eat. Whether you're looking to boost brain health, build muscle, or improve overall nutrition, 5 high-quality eggs a day can transform your health. Just make sure to choose pasture-raised, certified humane eggs for the best benefits. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments. How do you like your eggs? See you next time.